I had a generous harvest of mustard greens or mustasa, brought in home and pickled them according to Chinese tradition. Now they're ready for use. Let's make a dish out of pickled mustard greens or mustasa. Please join me at my small kitchen for some learning and fun. Welcome back to my small kitchen. Romulo here, and I'm very proud to present the result after several weeks of our fermented mustard. As expected and as requirement, it has changed color. It's now dull green. Let's taste it. Now I have a spoon. As expected, this would be very salty. It's been pickled in salt, sugar, and vinegar. It's really salty. It is like the pickles being served at the Chinese airlines before meals. But the Chinese airlines, I should say. Instead of nuts, they usually serve it. Pickled greens. We can eat it like that. But today we're stir frying this Mustasa Guisado with egg, according to the Chinese tradition. But since it's very salty, it's good to wash it first. Not just good, but it's highly suggested. Not just suggested, but required. Let's taste it after washing. It's still salty. I'm gonna keep this for next time. I think I put more salt than what was required, but it did not hurt. We can wash away the salt. After second washing, it was already less salty. Perhaps you're wondering, what are the rest of the ingredients? Just this. The very familiar onion and garlic. Plus, at least 2 eggs. Very simple. We can start with the stir fry. While waiting for our oil to boil, let's prepare the eggs. Really easy. Done. Now the oil is hot. We can start the stir fry. I think it's still cold, but it doesn't matter. Now it's boiling. At this point, we can add the garlic. And the pickled mustard. The mustard leaves are already salty, so we cannot afford to add more saltiness. But we need some color. So I'm adding soy sauce, just a teaspoon, or even less than that, to add color. Let me soften this a bit. I'll add water. I'm going to add some sugar also, just to neutralize the saltiness a bit. 1 teaspoon. This looks pale. Let me add more soy sauce. Ah, that's too much. I should have cut the leaves into smaller sizes. But I can do that now. Matured mustasa leaves can be tough, so we have to cook them longer. We can add the eggs now. It's good. I just turned the flame off. I'm presenting our humble, homegrown, and home pickled mustasa leaves. Look at this. We can do better than this. I'll make it neater. Now this is better. Mustasa, stir-fried pickled mustasa with egg. How simple and economical can this be? But let's taste it. The egg softens the strong flavor of the mustasa. It can be strong. It can even be fiery or spicy. That's the word. It's on the salty side. It's my fault. Next time I'll reduce the amount of salt. I will stick to the recipe. Say thank you and join me again next time as I bring you more dishes, simple dishes, as we cook what we grow and we share what we cook here in Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. See you on the next video. And by the way, if you're interested in how I fermented this, link here and in the description box.